you ever wondered why some people seem to break free financially while others remain stuck, despite working just as hard? The answer isn't luck or background, it's something much more within your control. Today we're diving into the rare skills that can transform your life, skills most people never learn but that make all the difference. Let's explore what sets the financially free apart from those who feel trapped, and how you can start your journey to freedom. World has changed. We're living in a new kind of economy where your background, your education, and even your connections matter less than ever before. What matters now is your ability to solve problems that people are willing to pay for. This shift has opened doors for anyone willing to learn and adapt. It's no longer about where you come from, but what you can do. Let's look at the skills that thrive in this environment. What exactly are high-income skills? These are abilities that create leverage, meaning you can earn more without having to work more hours. They're not tied to a specific job or degree, but to your capacity to create value in ways that scale. High-income skills are the secret behind those who seem to leap ahead financially, and the best part is, anyone can learn them with the right approach. First high-income skill is copywriting, the art of turning words into sales. Think about every ad you see, every buy now button you click, and every viral landing page you visit. Behind each of these is someone who knows how to persuade through writing. Copywriting isn't just about being clever with words, it's about understanding what makes people take action and crafting messages that move them. Persuasion is at the heart of copywriting. It's not just about selling products, it's about selling ideas, visions, and solutions. When you master this skill, you can influence decisions, inspire trust, and drive results. Whether you're writing emails, ads, or social posts, persuasive writing opens doors in every industry. Next up is content creation and video editing. In today's world, attention is the new currency. If you can capture attention through engaging videos, creative posts, or compelling stories, you can monetize it. One viral video can outperform years of traditional work, opening up opportunities for income and influence that were never possible before. Why is attention so valuable? Because in a world flooded with information, what stands out gets noticed, and what gets noticed gets paid. Brands, businesses, and creators all compete for attention, and those who master content creation and video editing are in high demand. This skill isn't just for influencers, it's for anyone who wants to build an audience or sell a product. Another game-changing skill is software and automation. Coding isn't just for techies anymore. With the right knowledge, you can build tools, apps, and systems that work around the clock, scaling your impact far beyond what's possible with manual effort. Automation frees up your time and multiplies your results, making it a cornerstone of high-income potential. With software and automation, you're no longer limited by the hours in your day. You can create systems that serve hundreds, thousands, or even millions of people at once. This kind of leverage is what separates those who work hard from those who work smart and get paid accordingly. Sales and digital marketing are the engines that drive modern business. These skills are about understanding what people want and connecting them with solutions they're willing to pay for. Whether you're selling products, services, or ideas, mastering sales and marketing means you can create value in any industry, anywhere in the world. There's a simple pattern behind all high-income skills. Skill creates value. Value creates income. Income creates freedom. When you focus on building skills that solve real problems, you naturally attract opportunities and income. This is the foundation of financial freedom in the new economy. Here's the hidden truth: none of this works instantly. At the beginning, progress can feel invisible. You might be learning, practicing, and putting in the work, but not seeing results right away. This is where most people give up right before the breakthrough happens. Patience and consistency are your greatest assets. The real question isn't which skill is best, but whether you can stay consistent long enough to master one. Mastery takes time, and the journey is often filled with setbacks and slow progress. But those who persist eventually see results that compound, creating opportunities they never imagined. Something magical happens when you finally master a high-income skill. You stop chasing opportunities, and instead opportunities start chasing you. Your reputation grows, your network expands, and your income follows. This quiet shift is the reward for all your unseen effort. In today's world, your income will never outgrow your skill level. This means the real investment isn't in stocks, real estate, or even business, it's in yourself. The more you invest in mastering valuable skills, the more your income and freedom will grow. Most people never learn these high-income skills because they're focused on quick fixes or waiting for luck. They underestimate the power of consistent effort and the compounding effect of skill building. Don't fall into this trap, choose to be different. Leverage means getting more results from the same amount of effort. High-income skills give you leverage by allowing you to impact more people, earn more money, and free up your time. This is the secret behind the success of top performers in any field. Imagine writing a single sales page that brings in thousands of dollars while you sleep. That's the power of copywriting. It's a skill that works for you 24/7, turning your words into income and opening doors to new opportunities. With content creation, your ideas can reach millions. A single viral video or post can change your life overnight, bringing in followers, clients, and income streams you never expected. The key is to keep creating and improving your craft. Automation lets you set up systems that work for you even when you're not around. Whether it's an app, a website, or a workflow, automation multiplies your output and lets you focus on what matters most. It's a force multiplier for your income and freedom. Sales isn't just about closing deals, it's about understanding people. When you master sales, you learn to listen, empathize, and solve real problems. This human connection is what drives lasting success in any business. Digital marketing lets you reach customers anywhere in the world. With the right strategies, you can build an audience, grow a brand, and generate sales on autopilot. It's a skill that pays dividends for years to come. You don't have to master every skill at once. Start with one, then add others as you grow. This is called skill stacking, and it's how top performers multiply their value and income over time. How do you pick which skill to start with? Look for what excites you, what you're curious about, and where you see opportunities. The best skill is the one you'll stick with long enough to master. The fastest way to learn is by doing. Don't just read or watch tutorials, apply what you learn in real projects. Every mistake is a lesson, and every small win builds your confidence and skill. Skill building works like compound interest. Small, consistent efforts add up over time, creating results that seem to appear all at once. This is why patience and persistence are so important. It's normal to feel frustrated when progress is slow. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is to keep going even when it feels like nothing is happening. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Keep track of your growth, no matter how small. Celebrate milestones and reflect on how far you've come. This keeps you motivated and helps you see the invisible progress that leads to mastery. As you develop your skills, start building a portfolio. Showcase your best work, whether it's writing videos, apps, or marketing campaigns. A strong portfolio opens doors and attracts opportunities. Connect with others who are on the same journey. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts, it's about building relationships, learning from others, and finding mentors who can guide you. Feedback is a gift. Use it to improve your skills and refine your approach. Don't take criticism personally, see it as a tool for growth and mastery. High-income skills evolve with the market. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to new trends. The more you grow, the more valuable you become. Mastery isn't just about skill, it's about mindset. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Stay resilient, embrace challenges, and keep moving forward no matter what. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Use failures as fuel for your journey. The most successful people are those who learn from their mistakes and keep going. Don't wait for the big breakthrough to celebrate. Every small win is proof that you're on the right path. Acknowledge your progress and use it as motivation to keep going. Skill creates value, value creates income, income creates freedom. This simple formula is the foundation of financial independence. Focus on building skills and the rest will follow. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Courses, books, mentors, and practice all pay off in the long run. Your skills are assets that no one can take away from you. Stay focused on your path. It's easy to get distracted by shiny objects or quick wins, but true mastery comes from deep work and consistent effort. Protect your time and energy. Success is built on daily habits. Set aside time each day to practice your skills, learn something new, or work on your projects. Small actions repeated consistently lead to big results. Stay curious and open-minded. The world is changing fast, and those who keep learning stay ahead. Curiosity fuels growth and helps you spot new opportunities before others do. As you grow, look for ways to give back. Share your knowledge, mentor others, and contribute to your community. Helping others succeed multiplies your own success and fulfillment. No matter how much you achieve, stay humble and keep learning. There's always more to discover, and humility keeps you open to new ideas and opportunities. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Choose a skill, commit to mastery, and take action every day. Your future is shaped by the skills you build today. Remember, when you master high-income skills, you stop chasing opportunities, they start chasing you. The world is full of possibilities for those who are ready and willing to grow. In the end, your income will never outgrow your skill level. The real investment is not money but mastery. Focus on building high-income skills, stay consistent, and watch as your life transforms one skill at a time.